Haia Carja, agus fáilte higann seisiún Aireachais seo mar chud de Trasna na dTonnta. Tá fáilte ó Mhór. Welcome everybody to this mindfulness session as part of Trasna na dTonnta. It's me Nuala Ní Scolláin, yoga le Nuala. My name is Nuala Ní Scolláin and I'm a yoga teacher. Tá suaimhneach le rubbag ghlacadh. So we're going to begin with some movement. So siigi sheish is see a handjas compordach. If you want to take a nice comfortable seat to make sure an earlier, I'm on the floor. Dredging the soul or deis matashiv compordach. Closing the eyes if you're comfortable. No jan rock na soul or rubbag ní scolláin. Or just soften your gaze if you're not comfortable with the eyes closed. Tugging much coupla anal nader hen shaw. So we're just taking a few natural breaths. Ik mahia shach into corp. Feeling into the body. Kajay marat had the corp physical ik mahi. How is the physical body feeling? You'll Jeffher be orainn and shaw. We're not in any rush here. Just breathing in and out. The Ceardlann Aireachais or the anal. Awareness now goes to the breath. Mar the anal ag bugu the corp. How's your breath moving in your body? Gan after be the anal aire go foil. Not trying to change your breath just yet. Will the anal fada no courage. Is your breath long or shallow? Ke fada stach sa corp agus a the anal. How deep into the body does the breath go? Can clainne on Jeffrey, so we'll have a tendency to rush. Na Janshin, we're not going to do that now. Tá much gom will you? Toward cad doing hen will you? We're going to allow ourselves to slow down. Beidir gohfuil the anal ag éirí rubbag ní scolláin leis féin. Maybe the breath slow down on itself by itself. Tá much go an anal a cúrsaí should draw the ghlacadh. We're going to direct the breath down towards the belly now. Ganal shach reach the front. Breathing in through the nose. Agus ag scialú le the anal or bhealach bí at the compordach ditch. And releasing the breath in any way that feels okay for you. The fáilte ribh callan. Noise is very welcome. Gallant. Lovely. We're going to blink the eyes open. Goscailt na soul Aireachais. Agus bei rubbag ghlacadh just railgin. We'll have some gentle movement now. So we can see suaimhneach just hard, sitting up nice and tall. Crain arja. Heart is lifted. Spralum sa just ag mahu heart or macraíon. I like to feel around the heart space. And sin curhí muid an dá leabhar an dá gluúin, hands are on the knees. Gus like den smig titchim sheesha draw the acht. Allowing the chin to drop down towards the chest. Sheen you just sig Trasna your chul the winyo. A nice stretch in the back of the neck. Agus ian am a ta sheen you on. Anytime we're stretching somewhere. Ta much hun an anal a cur draw and splashing. We're going to direct our breath to that space. Go foilig analu ga jas fadalach. Still breathing nice and slow. Jan the gully, jas big. Shoulders soften. Smig titchim sheesh draw the cree. Chin is falling down towards the heart space. Ig mahu and anal ig osculch and splashing. Feeling the breath opening that space up. Gach anal amach ig ligand ditch venis boiga. Each out breath allows the body to be softer. Ghlacadh. Lovely. And sin tá muid chun na dearmad a rianú leis an smig. Ig bogu ó tíomh go tíomh. We're going to trace the collarbones nice and slowly with the chin. Ig aihin shagoni. Mas féidir leat rudder be a wahoo, no a clinched-in, tíbhastí an corp. Always noticing if you can feel or hear anything moving in the body. Rash an lar back to centre. Tog the cree, the clainne and arja. Lifting the head and the heart again. Ligging which den close. Yes, titchim sheesh drawn gulin yes. Right ear falls towards the right shoulder. Machui to sheen you jas shees and teeth clay. You'll feel a nice stretch down the left side. Curda anal a draw and sheen you shin. Directing your breath towards that stretch. Exhalu le gach anal amach go bhfuil teannas ag fagel an corp. Imagining with each out breath the tension leaving your body. Ghlacadh. Rash suas leis an claigeann. Back up with the head. Agus buggy much ag an tíomh eile. We'll move to the opposite side. Jay mar a tentíomh seo ditch. High is the opposite side for you. Omlan nadartha go maithí an tíomh amháin defriúil ón tíomh eile. Totally natural that one side feels different from the other. Couple of anal jas le spás a oscailtin sin. A few breaths just to open that side of the neck. Ghlacadh. Chucky mudrash an lar. Coming back to center. Shin tá muid go rub buggy anu leis na gully. So we're going to do some work with the shoulders now. So anal isteach buggin na gully huntasi agus an arja draw na clúsa. Agus ag anal amach tógan slinain le céile agus sheesh the grim. Inhaling with the shoulders move forward and up towards the ears. And as we exhale, the shoulder blades draw together and down the back. Na slinain, the shoulder blades. Isteach leis an anal ag ardú na gully. Inhaling, the shoulder blades raise up. Sanalú teichin siad síos with the exhale to fall back down. Gobber le luas the anal. So working with the speed of your own breath. Ghaeilge. Lovely. Coming back to centre, Aireachais and Lar. Agus an sin tá muid go couple síniu a dhéanamh leis na láha. So we're dus talking muid ar láha, Johnny muid couple circle in the rusty. So a few circles at the wrists, bailach one way, and then the other. Fáilte ribh na tropana sin a clainne tú, welcoming in any sounds, any cracks that come. Ghaeilge. See him with éasca hard sitting up nice and tall again. Talking much anal more shack, sheen na láha an arja, dala le chéile, agus sheesh lar the corp. As we breathe in, palms face up, hands reach up towards the sky, palms together down the middle of the body. Jan shoig the loose hands, so just moving with the speed of your own breath. Ceardlann Aireachais, last one. And is fáilte raibh glúiseachtar bí a machnaimh go deas. So now welcoming any movement that feels nice in your body. You get jack le the corp. So listening to the body. What does your body need? Ghaeilge. Sin Jenny which rudbug gas the leis na cromain. So we're going to do some movement with the hips, just nice and gentle. So hands can be on the knees if it's comfortable. Láha ar na glúine. Agus just down couple of circle, so exhalu gohfuil the crí ag bogaí an tosaí. Tráhain. Sin an trá eile. Fáil ganalú go deas fadalach. Ag tuairt faidir cé take teach the níos I the corp. So we're still moving nice and slow, noticing what comes up in your body. Agus Aireachais and Lar. Coming back to centre. Níos tá muid go machnaimh go dhéanamh. So we're going to do a gentle meditation. Is féidir leat a bheith de hí de seo, nó is féidir leat líisiis, agus tú chéanana dhéanamh deas compordach. So you're very welcome to stay seated for this, or I always prefer to lie down and get nice and comfortable. But the fáilte ribh go bí dóibh to tosaigh éirí a bheith. So whatever's most comfortable for you. Jan tú chéan deas compordach. Tugaí muid láha amháin hiag an crí, agus láha amháin hiag an bollag. One hand to the heart, one to the belly. Súil a dridte. Eyes can be closed. No arc na súil a bug, or a softening of the gaze. Ag nascu isteach le anal deas fadalach Aireachais. The anal ag bogaí síos a draw the bhollag. The breath is moving down towards the belly. Couple of anal deas bug. A few steady, slow breaths. Gachas analú gligant an corp a bheith bug agus suaimhneach. Each out breath allowing the body to be soft and relaxed. Torch cead de chin mhuiliú. Giving yourself permission to slow down. Torch cead an corp a bheith bug, allowing the body to be soft. Ínta deachar ag an am seo den bhliain ligant de chin mhuiliú. Is féidir le sin a bheith de dúitlanach, nuair tan síl mór a rálinn Jeffrey. It can be very challenging at this time of year to slow down. Very challenging ínta dúitlanach. It can be challenging to allow the body to soften and slow down when everything is telling us to hurry up. Ghaeilge Jeffrey a draw nullig, everything rushing towards Christmas. Ach nuair an ascan which le nádar, tan mhearbhair ag teagas doin, go bhfuil sé riachtanach mhuiliú. Mother Earth is showing us that we need to slow down. Gur seo am den dearmad den machnaimh. This is a time of darkness, of reflection. Cefniú ar an dói a bhí ar sinseir beo I gobar le nádar. Remembering how our ancestors lived, working with nature. Ag bogu fríd na séisiir difriúla. Working through the seasons. And teagmhall gur seo am agus muid ag bogu a drá an gheimhrú. Le bheith té, le mhuiliú, le aire a chóirt an corp. That this is the time to slow down, to be warm, to take care of the body. Torch am doing here. Giving ourselves time. Gart shear and blian a teicnící, reflecting back on the year that has passed. Cé tá tú géirí fágal sa bhliain seo. What would you like to leave in this year? Cé tá tú géirí a chóirt leat isteach sa chéad bhliain eile. What would you like to bring in the next year? Sean Tam, le scílú le híonrod nach maithíon go maith, i the spirit nó i the corp. This is a time of letting go. Letting go of anything that doesn't feel good in the body or in the spirit. Galanta. Lovely. Sinnig tógal coupla anal. Just cueing an ish. Taking in few quiet breaths now. Agus nuair atá tú ré. Ghlacadh tú chéan arás ag the corp. And when you're ready, bringing yourself back to the physical body. Níl deafar bhíonn, there's no rush. Goscailt na suaile, ma tá tú géirí. Opening the eyes, if it feels okay to. I ghlacadh cabbí gluaiseachtaí atá do corp a géirí anois. So taking whichever movements the body needs right now. Aon rud a maithíon go deas i do corp, so anything that feels good in your body. Like den corp, bogu, in a bhealach céan. Allow the breath, the body to move in whichever way it wants to. Sin deireadh linn our clachtú, the end of our practice. De fáilte rud fanachta de lí, agus níos mó den suaimhneach sin a suaisteach. You're welcome to stay lying down, to really linger in that softness. A curry much deireadh an seo, gur míle maith of a cardja, agus banachtaí an gheabhraí liver fad. Winter blessings to you all. Gur míle maith as a bheith páirteach sa Ceardlann Aireachais seo le Trasna na dTonnta. Thanks a million, míle buíochas, for being part of this mindfulness session with Trasna na dTonnta. Slán live.